Hi everyone, I'll start uploading videos about Godot. In this video, I'll show you how to use the animation player to create animations. It works for both 3D and 2D. Now I am in a 3D scene. Right click and I'll insert a simple cube as an example, which is a C-box 3D. Now I'm going to animate this box. But first we need to insert an animation player. I renamed the box and again right click to insert and search for animation player. There we go, now click to add. We will create a simple jump animation. Click on the animation button to create a new animation and select new. Now pick a name for your animation. Now we move to animating the cube. This can be done to almost every node in Godot. We can see the key icon appeared. I will go to the transform property to animate the position. Click the key to insert a keyframe for the current position. Now move to a different timing and insert a new position. This process can be done to other properties too, like color, size, rotation and more. This is our animation. We will play it via script. To insert a script, select where you want to apply it and click the script icon. I'll keep it as default. Now we only need when the node is ready inside the scene. I will get rid of the process function. To create a variable quickly, you can drag and press Ctrl. Of course, drag the node and place it in your code. Now all we have to do is, we play the animation by writing a single line. Just the name of the variable followed by play function and the name of the animation. We need to insert a camera to view the animation. Right click again and then we search for camera. In my case it's camera 3D. I will position the camera to face the cube. And now we can test. There we go, the animation is working. If you found this video helpful, suggest your ideas. I will try to upload more helpful videos. And now have a nice day.